In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the new lightning rod in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So first, let's go ahead over and see how to actually get it. Now, this thing has just been added in the recent update, and to actually get it, you will have to walk up here to the other side of the map, so not to the seeds and sell shop over here, but you want to go to the gear shop merchant over here under this green basically stand. Now, after you come here, you want to talk to Alois. And then as you can see over here, if you scroll down, you can see the lightning rod. Now, usually, of course, it's not going to be in stock. However, every 5 minutes, make sure you come back and check, because if it's over here, if it's available, you'll be able to get it for yourself as well. And then after you do that, you have one of the rarest items in the game, basically. So what it says over here, what this will do is it will redirect lightning 3 times before being destroyed. So what you can do is basically just place it down where you want your lightning to be basically struck, and after you do this, of course, the plants around that area where lightning strikes will get some nice little mutations, and I'm sure you heard of what lightning does to plants. They become very, very worthy, and of course, they can sell for a lot of money, and you can, of course, flex it to your friends as well. So that's how you get it. Come to Gear Shop. I'm not sure how much it costs. I have yet to see it, but if you know, make sure to drop a comment down below and let us all know how much this costs. I will pin one of your comments if you actually get it correct. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.